was like, what? What? Now I see why she loves Loom. That's a game changer. I'm looking at the overview. So it says for the next 14 days, it's a free trial. And that unlocks unlimited recording length as well as unlimited number of videos. Plus, you can record and share. You can embed call to action buttons, engagement insights, video uploads, and password protection. Then also you can do your own branding, color. So free. It's 25 videos per person, up to 5-minute videos is free. And then the 14-day trial, which is what I guess I have right now. Let's see, it has some AI add-ons. I can take the Loom branding off, which I don't care about. So the business one that I have right now is 14-day free trial. It's normally $12.50 a month if you pay annually. And then it's $15 a month if you do month to month. I'm not making 25 videos a month, so the free plan should work just fine. Okay, so oh wow, it has a lot. So it's www.loom.com, and let's just see how easy this is to record. I'm not seeing the record button just like right off the rip. Let's see. Notifications, history. Y'all, I'm so slow. I've been sitting here trying to figure out how to record a video. Look at this. Look at this. Let me zoom in. You see that button right there? It says record a video. That's the button I was looking for. I'm learning, well, two things. I am teaching myself how to use Loom to to screen capture my videos, so I can show you guys some behind the scenes stuff. So that was the whole goal, was to be able to share this journey with you, but I don't know how to easily screen record. So in that community, the Smart Passive Income community that I'm in, one of the ladies was mentioning that she uses Loom in conjunction with Canva to do her videos, and she said it's super easy. I literally just signed up for it. It was free, and I recorded just that little intro of me looking up Loom, downloading it, and recording the first video. I'm gonna see if I can go back in and pick up where I left off, but yeah, I mean, it was super easy. It was, as soon as it downloaded, congratulations, you guys will see it. I'm going to share all of these videos that I'm recording. So I'm recording on my iPad as well, so you can see the big picture view, and then I'm recording close up, and I just did one over the shoulder. So I'm getting better with the editing. This is going to be a little bit more involved because I'm going to be using clips from different things. Once I get this, learn how to use this Loom for real, I will do a tutorial on Loom. But this was just me getting it, and I'm just going to play around with it a little bit. I'm still doing a 12-week year. So I've been consistently, today is Vlogmas day 6. I've been consistently uploading. Once I get this completed, I'll upload this video. So this will be day 6. I'm so proud that I've been consistently executing on the plan. It'll be really interesting to look back on these videos and just see the journey. So yeah. So I'm in Loom, and I'm trying to figure out, let me go back. Okay. So we are recording. I'm gonna make this minimize. So this is what I use. I use CapCut. So I'm gonna act like I was gonna create a new project. This is just me playing around. I'm not getting ready to record this. I am going to record this video, but I just want to see. I'll do a real tutorial. Okay, so it recorded perfectly. I figured it out. It was really easy. Now, it's easy to send this and share it with a link, but I'm trying to download it and it's giving me, it's like grayed out, but it says the download is available with the free trial. But even that's grayed out. So I'm like, well, did it automatically? Let me see, before I call these people a liar. Let me check. Look at. So, let me zoom in. Okay, so let me zoom in. So I click on more. Download video. Available with your free trial. But then when you go to click download, it don't do nothing. So, I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing wrong here. And I know it's something stupid. That's what's so bad about it. Y'all, I just cussed. Wow, I wasn't able to download it. I think it's because I was recording another video and they may be not sure that it's my video, because it says something about does not own the rights to the other video. However, I scrolled down. Why the AI wrote a summary and gave it chapters? Look at this. Look at this. I was like, what? What? Now I see why she loves Loom. You know how much time that's gonna save fooling with YouTube? That's a game changer. I am going to dedicate my non-focus hours on learning this tool. As you can see, I was able to figure out how to download, so I was able to download the video, and everything worked perfectly. It was something stupid, just like I said. However, I just want to say thank you for rocking with me. I hope you're having a great holiday. And if you got this far in the video, you are the real MVP. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll check you in the next one. Happy holidays.